When you start having saws for your collection show up in a crate this size, maybe you got a problem. So, we got all kinds of interesting old stuff in this crate. So we've got a Pioneer 450, 550, 600, that's an 048 Super Still, Homelite C51, Homelite 35, I think that's a 009 and an 032 over there. There's an 024 in pieces in here, and I'm not 100% sure what all else, but I'm definitely going to keep me busy for a while. There's what we got. Really want to get this big girl going. That's going to be a heck of a display saw. Same with those.